Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to NIEVS platform. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, English Day Shift. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today we are going to do our class with class 3. Our today's subject is English Literature. Today we will do Unit 4 Synonym, Antonym and Question Answer. Our today's lecture number is 10 and SW number 8. And you will do the SW, synonym and antonym for this unit. From this unit. Okay. Now come to our lesson. Unit 4 was the Monday morning. Unit 4 was about the Monday morning. You have already read the story and you know about the story. So now come, we will do some synonym and antonym. First word, immediately. Its synonym is instantly, and antonym late. So immediately, synonym instantly, antonym late. Then word plan, synonym scheme. Plan, synonym scheme, antonym improvise. Scared, the word is scared and the synonym frightened, antonym fearless. Synonym frightened, antonym fearless. So like this way you will practice at home and you must learn the spelling very carefully. Now we will do the question answer. Question number 1. Why was Tom very sad on Monday morning? The answer, Tom was very sad on Monday morning because he thought that it was the beginning of a boring week. I am repeating. Tom was very sad on Monday morning because he thought that it was the beginning of a boring week. Number 2. How did Tom plan to stay away from school? Answer. Tom planned to stay away from school by pretending that his tooth hurt. Again, Tom planned to stay from school by pretending that his tooth hurt. Oh, one thing was, student, there will be stay away. Tom planned to stay away from school. There will be stay away from school. So I am repeating again. Tom planned to stay away from school by pretending that his tooth hurt. Number 5. When Tom went to school, what was wrong with his upper row of teeth? The answer is, when Tom went to school, there was a gap in his upper row of teeth. Again, when Tom went to school, there was a gap in his upper row of teeth. So my dear students, this is all for today. You must practice this at home very well and you will submit the SW. The SW number is 8 and the SW will be the synonym antonym. You will write only the synonym and antonym. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.